Hello everyone, I think you are all doing well. Today, the Tech Talk show is with Mr. Aryan, and Aryan is going to do live programming. Means, I'll be asking some questions to Aryan and he will write programs for those questions. Aryan, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Ready.
Very good. Aryan, before we start our coding journey, let me say something about you. Like how many years old? Like how old are you?
I'm
How old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
12 years
12
old.
years.
Very good. In which class you are studying?
I'm 7th passed out, studying in
Seventh
Little
passed.
Paradise School.
Okay, you are studying in Little Paradise School. Fine. So, like before we start coding, like let me ask you a few questions. Like whom you acknowledge or whom you say, like from whom you are thankful for this coding journey. Like who initiated you to start this coding journey?
There are 3 persons who acknowledge me. First of all, my parents.
Okay.
When I say I will learn C programming, without second thought, they join me.
Very good.
Second is my school management,
Okay.
Little Paradise School, because from 3rd standard, they are teaching basics of computer, which created computer awareness in me.
Okay. So in
And
your
last-
schools you have computers.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good.
And last but not least, that is Artisan, sir.
Okay.
Once I joined C programming classes, I have no knowledge about it. Day by day, my excitement level increases. Artisan's the teaching was very extraordinary. He is my
Okay.
first mentor to learn to teach C programming language.
Okay.
I have learned 2 courses from Artisan, sir.
What are
that is-
those?
Logics and techniques of coding, and now I am learning C programming.
Very good. Aryan, how many programs you have done till now?
100
See.
programs, 100.
You have done 100 programs.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So I think good future is there because at the age of
Thank you,
12, you are doing 100 programs, and don't worry. In our course, we are actually my target is 150 programs, but by seeing your excitement, I have increased the count to 200 programs. So by the time we complete this course, you will be writing 200 programs. And one more thing, if you really perform well, if your excitement is same till end of this course, I'll really help you to develop a project in C language. Is it
Okay,
clear?
sir.
I'll help you to develop a project in C programming language. So fine Aryan, and thank you so much to Little Paradise School management and teachers who really given an extraordinary foundation on computers. Not only to Aryan, I think like every student who is studying in Little Paradise School, I think they'll have a strong foundation in computers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
They need to start their coding journey. That's it. Is it clear? Foundation is provided at schools and they need to begin with their coding journey. Like friends, if anyone wants to join for coding classes, what I'll do is I'll provide the link below this video in the description box. That will be the link of my WhatsApp group. In that group, I will be sharing new batch updates. Is it clear? So don't expect some message in that group every day. Whenever I'll start a new batch, then I'll share details about that new batch. Until then, you can stay connected in that group. Okay, na? So, Aryan, share your screen
Sure.
so that we'll start our coding.
So you should activate me to share screen.
Very good. I think I need to give permission. Very good. Smart boy. Smart boy. Okay. So you understand that I should give permission to share the screen. I have given the permission. See.
Yes, sir. Now I can able to share screen.
Very good. Very good. Aryan, before we start, before we start, I'll ask you a few questions. Tell me how many programming constructs are there?
There are three types of programming constructs. There are
Okay.
sequence, selection, and loop.
Sequence, selection, and
Loop.
loops. Okay. So, shall I ask you one question from all these three constructs?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, have you done adding up two numbers program?
Yes, sir.
Adding up two
Adding.
numbers program in C language you have done.
Yes, sir.
So, I'll do one thing. I'll think and I'll ask one question related to that logic only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. The question is like this. Write a program to develop an billing software application, means billing application for a departmental store. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, if a customer walks and purchases two items from the store, what you need to do is you need to computerize this process. Means you need to write a program to read price of two products and calculate 5% GST on that and print the final bill. Can you write this?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Like try, don't worry. If you face any problem, I'll help you. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So don't feel nervous. With cool mindset, start writing the code. Wherever you struck, I'm there to help you. Okay, start.
And I'll give the title of program as
Okay,
program on departure billing application.
I think there are some spelling mistakes. Yeah, I can see.
As
See, program on, program on departure billing application. No, I think that word is wrong there. I think program to develop billing application. I think that will be better. The title of the program. Program to develop
to
billing application
billing application.
for a departmental store. Okay, you can continue like this. For a
A department store.
okay, fine.
Dash into studio.h main. First, we should declare variables. I will
Okay,
take integer type. I'll say A, B, and for GST, bill amount, and for final amount.
okay,
Next, we should initialize all the variables to 0. A is equal B is equal GST is equal bill amount is equal final amount is equal 0.
okay. I'll ask you one question here, Aryan.
So,
What happens if we do not initialize these variables to 0?
then it will take garbage value.
Okay,
It will initialize garbage value.
okay. And if variables are initialized with garbage values, then what's the problem?
Every product prices start with 0. If they initialize with garbage value, the cost of the product will change. Price
Okay.
of it.
Okay, means we'll get garbage results if you do not initialize.
Garbage result.
Okay, fine, continue, no problem.
Enter bracket double quote. Enter price of first product. Next, scanf bracket double quote percentage D comma ampersand of A. The first product name variable was A.
Okay, I'll ask you one question here. Like, what is percentage D?
It's a format specifier for integer
Very good.
data
Okay,
type.
very good.
Printf brackets double quotes enter price of second product. scanf bracket double quotes percentage d comma ampersand of b.
Okay.
Next, first we should calculate bill amount. This bill amount is equal to first product plus second product, that is A plus B.
Okay.
Next, GST. GST is equal bill amount into 5 by 100. 5% means 5 by 100.
Very good. Very good. Go on. Go on.
Next, final amount is equal to bill amount plus GST.
Super.
Next, print f brackets double quote slash n
I'll ask you one question here. Why we use /n?
to represent the condition in new line.
To print the output in new line. Okay. Okay. Fine.
Total is brackets percentage d comma. Oh, sorry. I have to initialize the variables for total and GST also. GST,
Why total?
not total. For bill amount, sir, not total.
Yeah. No, bill amount you have initialized to 0 in the bottom C. All variables you have initialized.
Sir. GST.
You have initialized already. Okay. Don't get confused. Fine. Fine. Everything is fine what you have done till now.
Not total here. Bill amount is
Very good.
bill amount. Printer brackets double quote slash n. The bill amount is GST. Percentage d comma GST. Next, printf brackets double quote slash n. Next, final amount is percentage d comma final amount.
Very good. Very good. So you are printing bill amount, GST,
D and final amount.
also. So I'll give you some suggestion. In bill amount, if you keep B in capital, that will look more good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Fine. Fine.
I'll give the title of program as billing application.
No, no. There should not be any spaces in file name. See, you are giving one space. Yeah.
Application. Dot C.
Okay.
I entered the price of first product as 1,500.
Okay.
Second product is 1,800.
Very good.
Total amount is 3,300. GST is 150. Right?
Super. Super.
So
super.
final amount is 3,000.
Very good. Congratulations, Aryan. You have done.
Thank you,
You
sir.
have done really a good job. So, from sequence model, you have done one program. Is it
Yes.
clear? From selection, shall we do one program?
Yes, sir.
Before we go to second program, you tell me, like, what is the highest number of lines program you have written? Highest
Highest
number of
number.
lines.
Selection, sir. Selection program.
Like how many
Correct.
lines? How many lines you got?
70. 70.
70 lines code you have written. Very good.
Yes, sir.
I'll do choice is yours in the second model. Like what program you want to write, you only decide and write. What program you want to write?
I want to write cinema rating program. Cinema rating.
Movie rating program.
Movie rating. Sir.
Very good, very good. Right, right. You first tell me the concept actually. Then you can start writing the code.
We should take characters cinema 1 and cinema 2. We should
Okay,
declare variables
okay.
and float as rate 1 and rate 2.
Very good. Okay. Means like which movie is hit? Is it clear that you want to display
Yes, sir.
based upon the rating?
Yes, sir. Based upon rating.
Sure. Go ahead. Do it.
And give the title of program.
Yeah, you start writing the code. I'll just switch on my AC. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, you just continue, no problem.
So, yes, sir. Include studio.h main bracket semicolon. First, I should declare variables char C1 means cinema 1 30, comma C2 30. Next, float rate 1, comma rate 2 semicolon. Next, we should print f enter movie name scanner brackets double quotes percentage s comma ampersand of c1. Next,
Means you are reading first movie name here.
yes sir.
Okay. Okay.
Enter rating press double quotes percentage f.
Why you are using
ampersand.
percentage of? Why you are using percentage of?
It's a format specifier for float. So
Very good. Very good. Very good.
instead of writing this, I will do copy and paste.
No, you have done one small mistake here. Rating, you have taken the wrong variable name for rating. See,
Yes sir.
don't get hurry.
Rate
Okay, very good, very good, very good. Fine.
Control plus C. Control plus
Okay, you are doing smart work. Instead of typing the whole code, you are doing
Yes,
copy paste. Very good. But remember, while doing copy paste, we should be very careful because we need to change the variable names again.
yes sir.
Okay, fine.
Now, if condition. If rate 1 is greater than or equal to 5,
Okay,
print f percentage s log buster
very good. Very
c1.
okay.
Else printf no, else if ray 2 is greater than or equal to 5, say printf brackets double quotes percentage s log the movie C2 else printf double quotes log percentage s I'll give the title of this is movie rating dot c.
But Aryan, like I never said this kind of program. Like how you got an idea? I think in your
I've
class
tried sir.
you have tried.
I've
Okay,
tried.
very
Sir.
good. Do it. There are some corrections. I'll let you know.
Okay sir.
Yeah, do it. You're not getting the output.
Sir, very slow sir.
Uh, okay, okay.
Movie name.
Hmm.
I give movie rating as 5.
Okay,
Second is Savo.
okay,
I'll do 3.5.
okay.
Hit blockbuster.
Hit is blockbuster because it's having more rating.
Yes sir.
Very good, very good. Good.
Yes, sir.
I think instead of writing this code, see here for percentage S flop, you have given C1 and C2, but you are
Yes.
using only one format specifier. See here,
Yes sir.
then two variables won't work here. That is one mistake actually.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I'll tell you something here. instead of writing like this, you can say if rating 1 is greater than rating 2, means you are comparing ratings of both the movies, and you can say this movie is hit when compared to this movie, or this movie is hit over this movie. Like this also you can write.
Yes, sir.
So what you are doing is you are comparing the rating with 5 actually. Is it clear? But when you are reading movies of like names of 2 movies, then you can do one thing. You can compare rating of one movie with rating of another movie. Can we do like that? You just remove logic. This yeah, very good. If rate 1 is greater than rate 2, then you can say no need to give L spot and everything. You can remove everything. Up to L spot you remove. I'll just help you like how you can write. You can remove this. That's it. Now what you can do is you can say percentage S is better movie. You can write like that. Is better than percentage S. Here you can say printf. In else part you can say printf. Very good. And you can say in first printf percentage S is better than percentage S. Is better than percentage S. So in the place of first percentage S, you print first movie and then C2. Here in else part you write again percentage S is better than
percentage S.
Say is missing. Very good, extraordinary. Is fine. Means you are doing comparison between 2 movies. Is it clear? And earlier you have done a program, means you have given rating. Based upon the rating, what kind of movie it is. But I am really very happy for your efforts. Like I never taught this kind of program like in my class. Okay, I think by look, I think you got how you got this idea actually. Which concept you got this idea?
Concepts I'm thinking. If we write movie rating, it's good, no sir.
Okay,
I thought like that.
I said I have explained you biggest of 2 numbers program, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
I think from there you took this concept.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Means at the age of 12, if you are able to write your own programs, then really you can do wonders, friend. You can do wonders in future. So you can run and see how we can get output. I think there is some problem where no, that closing brackets is missing. See, main closing brackets, that is missing. I think when you have removed that code, you have removed that bracket also. Fine. Now run. Super.
Movie rating will take us 4.5.
Okay.
I'll take us 3. It is better than ABC.
ABC. So we are getting the output as expected, isn't it?
Sir.
Very good. So from selection model, this is the example. And what is the third model?
Loops.
Loops. What we do with loops?
We can print anytime as we can print a name as many times as we want.
Only name we can print anytime?
Or even or odd numbers.
Can we say loops are used to perform repetitive tasks? Can we say like this? Okay. Then you do one thing. You write a program to accept a name from the user. And can you print that name 100 times?
Yes, sir.
Then do it.
Go from on. From on printing name. Dash load std.h name that I'll take the name as my take character, that is name, that is
that you have taken 30. We have to take only 30 only, or any number we can take?
Any number, sir.
Okay.
Next, I will take integer as count. Then I will insert the variable count is equal to 1.
Very good.
Then def bracket. Enter your name. Scanner brackets double quotes. Percentage s, comma, and percent of.
No hurry, no hurry. Take your time and write it. You tell me how many types of loops are there?
There are 3 types of loops.
Okay.
They are while loop, do while loop, and for loop.
Okay.
These loops are converted into 2 types of categories. There are entry check and exit check.
Okay.
In entry check, there are while loop and for loop. In exit check, there are do while loop.
Very good. Super. Yeah.
While count is smaller than or equal to 100. Printf double quotes percentage c, count plus so
Okay.
I will take the file name as loop.
You have done so many programs in loops, I think.
Yes, sir.
Very good. This is 26th program in loops.
25th, sir.
25th. Okay. Very good. Very good.
I'll say my name Aryan.
Okay.
And
But see, I think your name is not printed, so only
Yes,
100
sir.
numbers. So where is the mistake?
here percentage s,
Extraordinary, extraordinary.
comma name.
Very good. You should be in a position to identify your mistake. That is very, very important actually. Okay.
No,
Super. Aryan name is printed 100 times. Very good. Very good. So, do you know the real power of computers? I'll tell you, see. Can you print it this for 1000 times?
Yes, sir.
How?
Just we should change the conditions, sir.
Very good. So this is what the power of computers is, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The 10 times you are increasing that output to 10 times. Is it clear? With how many lines of code you are changing?
One line.
Just not
One
even one line actually.
line.
One single character you are
One
changing.
character.
Huh? Very good. One single digit you are changing. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good.
Now you'll get the output for the 1000.
Super, Aryan. Super. So Aryan, like how you are excited, like every day I see you coming like 5 minutes before the class and you are just waiting
Sir.
at the Zoom meeting to open. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So the same excitement level is maintained till today.
Yes, sir. My excitement level increases day by day.
Very good. Your excitement level is increasing.
Day by day.
Very good, very good. You have a great future, my boy. You have really
Thank
a
you,
great
sir.
future. And guys who are watching this video, like if you are also interested do coding something like this, then please watch the link below this video in the description box I have given. So it's a link for WhatsApp group. You have to join into that WhatsApp group and you have to wait. You have to wait for my next batch. Is it clear? And don't expect immediately, means after joining into the WhatsApp group, don't expect that you'll get some message from that group. No, you have to wait for the next batch to start and there won't be any forwarded messages or good morning messages. Nothing will be there. You have to just stay connected in that group. So Aryan, well done. And
Thank you, sir.
do you want to say anything to our audience, to our community people?
Yes, sir.
Tell
Yep.
me like.
Dear friends, I am learning C programming from Adityan sir from last 1 month. His systematic and method he teaches was inspired me a lot. And one thing I should tell you all that C program is very easy to learn.
Okay, you are saying so easy to learn.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Do you know one point? C programming is a subject in BTech first year. You know that?
No, sir.
Don't know that? Okay. It's a subject, it's a mandatory course every engineering student should undergo. Okay. I think you will do wonders by the time you will reach to engineering. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Uh, well done, Aryan. Like
Thank you,
I
sir.
don't have actually words to say. Why? Because you have started doing your own programs actually, which I had never taught. Huh?
When I will feel bored, I will do some own program, sir.
Okay, so you feel bored, you do programming.
Sir.
I think this is the. I think everyone like who is watching this video, I think up to this time, you can just listen to the words of Aryan. He's saying that whenever he feels bored, he'll do programming. What a level of I think commitment is. And Aryan, I think you are 12 years old and
Yes,
you
sir.
have completed 7th class. Do you think students of 6th class can do this?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
I don't
Yes, sir.
think, I think 7th class is the minimum age, I believe. Huh?
No, sir. Anyone can do, sir, if they have
Anyone?
interest.
Right. That is one best point you said. If anyone is having interest, I think they can do. Okay. So it's enough for Aryan. Like it's enough for today. You have really done wonderful job.
Thank you,
And
sir.
and what we'll do is at the end of this course, once you have really committed and if you are working like this, we'll do one live project like this.
Okay, sir.
We'll take some industry requirement, some real-time requirement. I'll explain you,
Yes.
and let's see you can work on that live project. Let it take 2 hours of time. We'll have our some snacks with us along with us, and 2 hours continuously we'll sit and we'll do that. Are you ready to work on that?
Yes, sir.
Let's see how we can do that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So thank you viewers for watching this video till this time. I think if you are watching, then you'll get really great excitement and you'll be really get motivated by these boys' words. Is it clear? So thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Wish you all the best, Aryan.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.